This is not a rumor, not a conspiracy theory, and not a street corner myth. This is the verified truth that the United States government tried to bury for decades. These are the 4 scientific operations that became the most dangerous, controversial, and ethically disastrous chapters in American history. Experiments that crossed the boundaries of humanity in the name of national security and scientific progress. Today, we uncover them. If you believe the truth always comes to light, you are only partially right. Sometimes the truth appears only when the hands that try to bury it begin to burn. From 1953 to 1964, the CIA launched a secret mind control program known as Project MKUltra. Its stated goal was to develop techniques to extract information from enemy agents and control human behavior, but the reality was darker than anything the public imagined. Ordinary American citizens were subjected to psychological and medical torture without their consent. Powerful psychoactive chemicals, including massive doses of LSD, were injected into unsuspecting subjects. People were locked for weeks inside sensory deprivation chambers. No light, no sound, no human contact. Some were exposed to extreme electroshock procedures designed to erase their memories. Under Dr. Ewan Cameron, techniques like psychic driving left many victims permanently disabled, minds that never returned to normal. In 1973, in a desperate attempt to destroy the evidence, CIA Director Richard Helms ordered nearly 20,000 MKUltra documents burned. But in 1975, during the Church Committee investigations, fragments of the truth resurfaced. America finally admitted it had experimented on its own citizens. Compensation was paid years later, but no amount of money could repair the psychological destruction inflicted on those victims. Next came one of the boldest and most disturbing biological tests in U.S. history, Operation Sea Spray. On September 20, 1950, the U.S. Navy secretly released the bacteria Serratia marcescens across the city of San Francisco to study how a biological attack might spread in a real urban environment. Over 3 days, a Navy minesweeper pumped the bacteria into the air, exposing an estimated 800,000 civilians. Soon after, hospitals saw a spike in unusual pneumonia and urinary infections. One man, Edward Nevin, died after the bacteria worsened a pre-existing heart condition. For 25 years, the government denied everything. When the truth finally emerged, the people of San Francisco realized they had unknowingly served as test subjects in a military experiment, risking their health and lives. Even more shocking was the Tuskegee syphilis study, a 40-year-long example of systemic deception. Beginning in 1932 in Alabama, the U.S. Public Health Service recruited 399 black men suffering from syphilis. They were told they were receiving treatment, but the true purpose of the study was to observe how the disease progressed if left untreated. When penicillin became an effective cure in the 1940s, the treatment was deliberately withheld. The men were denied access to local doctors who could have saved their lives. Over the decades, more than 128 people died from the disease or related complications, while wives and children were infected without knowing the truth. The study was exposed in 1972, and in 1997, President Bill Clinton formally apologized on behalf of the nation, acknowledging the deep injustice inflicted on the victims and their families. Our final chapter is Operation Crossroads, conducted in July 1946 at Bikini Atoll in the Pacific Ocean. The United States detonated 2 massive nuclear bombs, tests Able and Baker, to study the effects of atomic blasts on warships and military equipment. But the true cost was far greater. The underwater explosion created unprecedented radioactive contamination. Many of the ships used in the tests became so radioactive they had to be sunk in the ocean. The people of Bikini Atoll, only 167 residents, were forced to abandon their homeland, with promises they would one day return. But when they tried, radiation made life impossible. Many grew sick, and even today, large parts of the island remain unsafe for habitation. These 4 experiments are clear reminders that when science is separated from ethics, it becomes a dangerous force. MKUltra, San Francisco, Tuskegee, Bikini Atoll, these are not just locations, but historical scars that continue to warn us. Documents were burned, apologies were issued, but the wounds remain, telling us that the true power of a nation lies not in its weapons or experiments, but in its responsibility to protect its people. If you want more real, hidden stories from American history, like this video and subscribe so we can continue uncovering the secrets buried beneath the surface.